The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, and the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots very fast, and then we talk slow. Come on, let's have a conversation with just me. You trust me, I give it a chance. Now take my hands, we'll find the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab a nice, then put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling through, I'm in love with you, honey. And last night you were in there. I can tell cause it smells like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with you, honey. I'm in love with you, honey. One weekend we left the store, picking up, going out on our first date. You and me at 30 circle, all you need. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up a plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family is doing okay. And then getting the taxi, then kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And we're singing like, oh, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may